What is going on, guys? Welcome to your 25th tutorial, and in this lesson I want to talk to you guys about something called full text searching. It's an awesome feature that's built into MySQL. Basically, if you ever thought about making a search engine, or maybe you just have a website where you already have a search functionality, and maybe you're using like wildcards or a like statement or regular expressions to let users search your website for something, that's nice and all, but now let me introduce you guys to full text searching. It is just hands down way better than any other search feature that you can build. And awesome thing is, it's already built into MySQL. So the first thing we need to do is we actually need to enable this. Now typically, whenever you create a table for the very first time, that's when you decide what columns you want to enable full text searching on. However, since we already created this table, or I did rather, we just want to alter the table a little bit. So I know I didn't tell you guys how to create tables or alter tables, so we're jumping a little bit ahead here, but just go ahead and type in this code. Alter table, and then go ahead and type in the table name, which is items. And what we want to do is, how do we want to alter it? We want to add a functionality called full text. Not test, text. Now, inside the parentheses, just go ahead and write a column that has some text in it. You don't want to write any numerical columns here, or else it's not going to work out. Now go ahead and run this query. I'm not going to go ahead and run it again because I already have full text enabled because, well, I was playing around with it later on or earlier on. So go ahead and run this, and once you do, you might see a little prompt on your screen. As long as you don't get any error messages, you're good to go. But anyways, now that you ran that query, full text is now enabled on that column name. So we can now basically treat it like a search engine and search for things in that column. So let me go ahead and run a real quick example. Select name and cost from items, where now instead of having a where statement like maybe the word is like baby, or maybe I'm going to use a regular expression to make it baby, maybe make some wildcards, that's for noobs. We are here to learn about full text searching, and the syntax is a little weird. The first thing you want to write is match. Now, for this argument or parameter, or whatever you want to call it, inside the parentheses, you write what column do you want to search in? And I want to search in the name column because, well, quite frankly, it's the only one that we enabled full text searching on. But if you have multiple columns, make sure to specify here. So basically, what column do you want to search in? We want to search in the name column. Now, what do you want to search for? And you do that by writing the word against. Now, against, just like match, it takes parentheses, and inside the parentheses, you write your search term. So what do you want to search for? Well, I'm just going to search for the word baby because I know that there's some items with the word baby. It's like a baby coat, baby pacifier maybe. I don't know. We'll find out. So go ahead and hit go. And what it does is it takes the keyword baby and it basically searches all the items in the name column. And it ends up with baby coat, baby seat, baby soap, baby bottle. Pretty cool. A couple baby items. Maybe I'll buy some for my little cousin. Who knows? So basically, if you're like, okay, I could have done this exact same thing using the like keyword because you told me that before. It seemed pretty neat. I'm going to use that for my search engine instead. Well, you can, but there's a couple things going on behind the scenes, and hopefully I want to tell you guys about those, and hopefully I can talk you guys out of it. Even though you can't see it in this example, what MySQL is doing is it's ranking all of the results depending on how well it's matched. For example, whenever you go to Google and type in the word, I don't know, dog or something, it just doesn't get random results and, you know, give you whatever is on its mind, whatever it's feeling. It actually has these results ranked depending on, you know, what people clicked before, whatever algorithm they use. They rank them in very smart fashion, and that's what this is doing right here, even though you can't see it because, I don't know, these are really bad examples, but it's ranking it based on the number of keywords, the number of total words in the name column, and a bunch of other criteria that a bunch of smart people figured out. So aside from that, oh, excuse me, I got whoopee cough. Aside from ranking them automatically for you, which is awesome, it's not only better than like or regular expressions for that, but it's a lot faster too. I know you guys can't tell because these queries are really simple and my database isn't that big, but full text searching is usually a ton faster than using regular expressions or the like statement. And another cool thing that you can do is you can customize these a little bit further. So say for example that I don't know, your user wanted to look for baby items, but they didn't want to look for baby coats. Well, this has a special, I want to say, has a special feature, I guess would be the best way, and it's called a Boolean mode. So go ahead and after you're against, but make sure you're in your parentheses still, type in Boolean mode. Now I'm just going to show you guys a couple symbols, but there are like 10 or 12 symbols that you can use. I'm going to show you guys two real quick. Now symbol, the plus sign, is whenever you type plus a word, it means make sure that this word is included. So it's only going to give you results where the word baby is included, just like before. Now another easy one that we can understand, minus, is make sure that this word isn't included. So basically we want to search again using full text searching, but what we want to do is only search for the items that have the word baby and they don't include the word coat. So last time we ended up with baby coat, baby seat, baby soap, baby bottle. But now we want to take out baby coat, so we would do something like this. So run this beast and check it out. We get baby seat, baby soap, baby bottle. Wow, that's kind of like a tongue twister. But no baby coat. So again, like I said, those are two easy symbols. Those are probably the easiest ones that I could think of right now, but there are a lot other ones, and a lot of them deal with how the results are ranked. And guys, I encourage you to go on the website, go look at all the symbols, but I'm not going to bore you going through them all and show you all the little itty-gritty details. But anyways, whenever you want to use the symbols, that's how you use them in Boolean mode. So anyways, I know you guys are probably not sold on full text searching yet, but whenever you make a huge database, trust me guys, don't forget about it, use it, and you'll see the benefits of it. But for now, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to add me on Google+, and I will see you guys in the next video.